Hello friends, today we are going to be looking into how to set up Jenkins in Windows. So this is the official site we are going to be follow for downloading Jenkins. You just copy this URL and open it in Google Chrome. This site hard to remember means you just Google it Jenkins download for Windows. That time it will be taken up the Jagdishan Jenkins official site. Okay, you just open it. That time you can able to see the official Jenkins site. Okay, so here now we are going to be download Jenkins 1. There we can see two section, which is download Jenkins LTS and without LTS. Okay, under in which section I'm going to be download Jenkins. So better you can download Jenkins under LTS. What is LTS? Long term support. So here see stable LTS long term support. This is the regular releases. So better you can download under this LTS. You can click on this Windows one. After that the Jenkins start to downloading. Okay, so already I downloaded Jenkins. You can just open this one. Okay, you can double click on this Jenkins, click on run, click on next. So here it will be asking in which drive you are going to be put on that Jenkins destination. So this is the destination folder. I want to keep C drive itself. So that reason I leave out this C drive program files. If you want to change, you can change. Okay. Click on next. So here there is two section, run service as local system, run service as a local or domain user. So here if you know the domain user, which means what is the system name. So here my system name is Dell. So here I'm going to be choose the run service as a local system. I don't want to choose this one. I just select the first category. Click on next. Here it will be showing port number defaultly 8080. So the Jenkins defaultly the port number assigned 8080 only. Okay. So if you want to assign is not a correct one. So this is the default one. You can click on the test port. That time successfully the 8080 port number assigned to the Jenkins one. Okay. Click on next. So here it will be asking the Java destination folder. So already you have to install that Java one. This is the JDK path. So I'm having the JDK path inside C drive. Click on next. So next also you can click on next, install. It will be take the few seconds for installations. Okay. So yes. So now completed the Jenkins setup. You just click on finish button. So after clicking on finish button, automatically the localhost 8080, the port number, the Jenkins server will be started. Okay. So after that you can see the unlock Jenkins screen. So here you have to give the administrator password. Okay, where I have to take this password? So this is the path. You can go to this path. There you have to get this administrator password. So open C drive, you just paste it. So Windows cannot find. Okay, so here what I have to do, go to Windows, next system 32. So like that way how to find each and every folder. System 32, next config. So config, you just go to config. So here you can click on continue. Next is system profile. Go to system profile, click on continue. Next is app data. Next is local Jenkins. So after the last one is secrets. Yes, secrets. Here you can able to see one notepad file, initial admin password. Right click on edit with notepad plus, or else edit with notepad. This is fine. Okay, so you just copy this encryption code, go to this Jenkins, paste it here, click on continue. So put on never. So here it will be asking, see the offline Jenkins installation document. So sometime after given this unlock Jenkins, here it will be asking install Jagustal plugins and select plugins to install. So in Windows 10 it will be asking, you just click on that install Jagustal plugins. Okay, that time it will be taking the Jagustal list of plugins. Okay, so here see Git RAM authentication and Ant. So this kind of plugins it will be installed. It will be take more time. So here it will be asking create first admin user. So here only we have to give what is the username, what is the password you want. So whenever you have to launch the Jenkins, you have to enter username and password, right? Here I'm going to be give Sangeeta Natasha, or else yeah, Sangeeta only have to give. Password you have to give. Confirm password. Full name Sangeeta Nadarajan. Okay, save and continue. So here Jenkins URL. So what is the Jenkins URL I have to give? I'm going to be give Sangeeta Nadarajan. So this is the my Jenkins URL. Okay, save and finish. Start using Jenkins. So now successfully we are installed. I just upload this document in my blog. You can go through it. Okay, that time you can easily understand. Okay, next is we have to check properly it will be installed or not, right? So you have to open the command prompt. Here you can open the Jenkins section. So where we are having the Jenkins folder, go to here. So this is the folder structure which is we are going to be take that admin password, but the Jenkins folder it will be updated inside program files Jenkins. Okay, click on continue. Here only it will be found the jenkins.war. So this is the Jenkins destination folder. Here you just enter command prompt. That time it will be get the Jenkins path. Here you have to give the command like Java. Yes, you have to check the Java version. Okay, because you just confirm whether the Java will be supported or not for the Jenkins. Okay, displayed the Java version 1.8.0. Okay, so this is the Jenkins setup steps, guys. You can follow and you can install. Okay, thank you.